Hi, my name's Holly. I'm a mixed media artist and printmaker from Hertfordshire in the UK. Today I'm going to show you how I mount and frame my resin coated little panels that I made in one of my previous videos. So if that's of interest, then please keep watching. So I got this frame from Hobbycraft. It's a deep box frame. They're not too expensive. The other things you'll need are a piece of card, white card, some thick double-sided tape, and obviously your finished piece. So to begin with, you just want to open up your frame and take all the pieces out. So if you open it up, you'll see that there's the piece that comes in the frame when you buy it, which explains what it is. And that is the exact right size for your piece or your background. So what I'm going to do is just draw around it, because that's the shape that I need to mount my piece onto. So just with a pencil, you just want to put lines down onto the paper, or the card, sorry. And you want to use card for this bit because you need something a little bit thicker than paper so that it doesn't move about in the frame. And then I'm just going to use some scissors to cut it out. So then you want to take your double-sided foam tape. So this basically is a little bit thicker, so it makes your little panel stand out on the background. So that's why I use this thicker sort of double-sided tape. So you just want to cut it into 4 little squares and then stick those squares on the back of your little wooden panel. So then you just want to position your little panel in the middle. Like some people want to measure this bit. I just like putting it approximately in the middle and sticking it down. And then it's all mounted, so you can put it back in your frame. Top tip here is just to check that it is the right way around before you then push all your bits on the back to hold it down. But then I realised I'd forgotten something. I'd forgotten to put the name on it and sign it. I'm not great at naming things, I have to be honest. So this one's just called Purple Foliage. So there you have it, the finished piece. If you're interested in finding out how I made it and others like it, then I've got 2 videos called Botanical Gel Printing onto Collaged paper, part 1 and part 2. If you've liked this video today, please like and subscribe, and please comment too. I'd love to hear from you.